Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Gmail profile picture. So first of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Click on the profile icon. Go to Google account. Click on personal information. Tap on the profile icon. Add profile picture. Device photos. Click on next and finally click on save as profile picture. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily change your Gmail profile picture.